Hello and welcome. This is Flavia, and today I'd like you to watch a scene from Suits and identify a phrase that is used to say that someone has gained a good understanding of something. Let's see if you can identify the phrase.
Because that's what's changed since I left, which means it's you who's been dealing in bad faith.
Well, now that you've got a grasp on what's happened in the goddamn interim, what are you going to do about it?
Well, the phrase in question is get a grasp on something. For example, I need to get a grasp on this topic as I will be making a presentation next week. That means that I need to gain a good understanding of the topic. Let me offer you another example. We are still trying to get a grasp on the situation, but it's too complex. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, please share it. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.